There are moments in life when the veil between worlds becomes thin, and an ancient, profound truth whispers directly to your soul. You, dear one, are standing in such a moment. This person, this connection that stirs your deepest longings and fears, was not just a chance encounter. It was a sacred mission, a divine orchestration designed to ignite a dormant fire within you. The angels say you were chosen, not just to receive love, but to embody it, to become a living testament to its transformative power. Your path was predestined, woven into the fabric of time long before you took your first breath. This soul was sent to you as a catalyst, a mirror reflecting not just their journey, but the magnificent, untamed spirit residing within your own heart. You are a prayer answered, a key to unlocking destinies, both theirs and yours. Do not mistake the intensity for mere human drama. This is a spiritual awakening disguised as a love story. The universe conspired for this meeting, not for fleeting romance, but for profound evolution. The angels whisper of a purpose far greater than you can yet comprehend, a purpose that begins with the stirring of your own soul. You are not just a participant, you are the sacred vessel through which a greater love story unfolds. This connection is a call to rise, to remember who you truly are, and to step into the power you were always meant to wield. It is a divine summons to reclaim your crown, to heal old wounds, and to embrace the radiant woman you are becoming. This person, in their very essence, holds a piece of your spiritual puzzle, and you hold a piece of theirs. Together, you are meant to complete a sacred design. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. That silence, my beloved, the one that echoes in the quiet corners of your heart, is not an empty space. It is a sacred pause, a deep breath taken by the universe before its next grand symphony. You interpret it as absence, as rejection, but the angels reveal a different truth. This stillness is a cocoon, a necessary period of transformation for both of you. He is not gone, he is gathering himself, confronting shadows only he can face. And you, in this quiet, are invited to listen to the whispers of your own soul, to rediscover the strength that resides within you, independent of any external presence. The angels say this silence is a testament to the depth of what is being prepared, a testament to the magnitude of the love that seeks to unfold. It is a time for seeds to germinate beneath the earth, unseen, yet vital. Do not let fear paint this canvas with shades of abandonment. Instead, see it as a canvas being prepared for a masterpiece. This quiet is a promise, not a threat. It is the universe's way of ensuring that when the next chapter begins, it begins with clarity, with purpose, with a love that has been refined in the crucible of solitude. Trust this sacred rhythm. Trust that what is meant for you will not pass you by. This is not a goodbye. It is a profound, necessary breath before a new beginning. Allow yourself to be held in this space of unknowing, for within it lies the fertile ground for your greatest growth. Look closely, dear one, at the reflection you see when you think of him. He is not merely a person, he is a sacred mirror, held up by the divine to show you the unseen landscapes of your own soul. The qualities you adore in him, the frustrations you feel, the desires he ignites, all are echoes of something within you. The angels whisper that he reflects your deepest longings for connection, your hidden fears of vulnerability, and the immense capacity for love that sometimes even you forget you possess. He shows you where your own healing is still needed, where old wounds yearn for gentle tending. Do not shy away from this reflection, for it is a gift, a divine invitation to deeper self-awareness. When he pulls away, perhaps he is mirroring a part of you that still fears true intimacy. When he shines, he illuminates the radiance within your own spirit. This connection is a masterclass in self-discovery. The angels urge you to embrace this mirror, not with judgment, but with profound curiosity. What is he revealing about your own strength, your resilience, your unwavering hope? What forgotten dreams are stirring within you because of his presence, or even his absence? He is a guide, a silent teacher, showing you the path back to your most authentic self. This journey with him is, at its core, a journey back to you. You feel his distance, his hesitation, and your heart aches with questions. But understand this, my dear soul, his struggle is not a rejection of you. It is a fierce, silent battle being waged within his own spirit, a fight for the man he is destined to become. The angels reveal that he carries burdens you cannot see, echoes of past wounds, and the weight of expectations that sometimes feel too heavy to bear. He is confronting his own shadows, his own fears of not being enough, of not being worthy of the profound love you offer. This internal war is for his own integrity, his own truth, and his own alignment with the divine path laid out for him. He is not fighting you, he is fighting for himself, to shed the old skin, to emerge stronger, clearer, and more whole. The angels whisper that your unwavering light, your patient understanding, is a silent strength that anchors him, even when he seems to drift. Do not mistake his process for a lack of feeling. Often, the deepest transformations require the most profound solitude. He needs to face his dragons alone, to find his own courage, so that when he returns as the man who can truly meet you, truly hold the space for the love you both deserve. Hold compassion in your heart for his journey, for it is as sacred and challenging as your own. His silence is not indifference, it is the sound of his soul wrestling with destiny. The human heart, filled with impatience and eagerness, often mistakes divine timing for delay. You long for answers, for resolution, for the next chapter to unfold. Yet, my dear one, what feels like an extended wait is, in reality, the universe carefully weaving the intricate tapestry of your destiny with sacred threads. The angels assure you that not a single moment is wasted, and not a single tear falls without purpose. Every experience, every lesson, and every moment of quiet reflection serves as a vital stitch in this grand design. This pause is not an oversight, it is precision. It is the perfect alignment of stars, the ripening of souls, and the preparation of fertile ground for what is to come. The angels whisper that rushing the process would be like picking a fruit before its sweetness has fully developed. Trust that the divine hand orchestrating your life knows the perfect moment for each bloom, each harvest. This time of waiting is a gift, an opportunity to deepen your faith, to strengthen your inner knowing, and to cultivate the patience that will serve you in all your sacred connections. Do not despair in the meantime. Instead, lean into the profound wisdom of the universe. It is working on your behalf, arranging circumstances, softening hearts, and clearing paths you cannot yet see. Your story is unfolding exactly as it should, in perfect divine timing. Breathe, and trust the sacred rhythm of your journey. My radiant soul, you possess a light within you, a sacred flame that burns with an intensity far beyond your conscious awareness. This light, your true essence, is the most powerful beacon you can ever cast into the world. You often think you need to chase, convince, or prove your worth to draw love closer. But the angels gently remind you that true connection is not something to be chased, it is attracted. Your vibrant light, when fully embraced and allowed to shine, is the very force that guides what is meant for you back home. It is not through efforts to conform, to minimize yourself, or to become what you think others desire that you will find lasting love. It is your unapologetic, luminous self. The angels whisper that when you nurture your own flame, honor your own desires, and stand firm in your inherent worth, you become an irresistible force. This inner radiance truly resonates with another soul, calling them forth from their own shadows. Do not dim your light for fear of overwhelming others. Instead, let it expand and illuminate every corner of your being. This is your power, your magnetism. This is how you attract a love that truly sees you, honors you, and cherishes the magnificent woman you are. Be the beacon, dear one, and trust that what belongs to you will find its way through the darkest night, drawn by your unwavering glow. The world often teaches you to armor your heart, to present a facade of strength and unwavering composure. Yet, my brave soul, true connection, the kind that nourishes and transforms, does not bloom in the sterile garden of perfection. It blossoms in the wild, untamed space of raw vulnerability. To open your heart, to reveal your fears, your hopes, your tender imperfections, this is not weakness. This is courage beyond measure. The angels whisper that it is in these moments of authentic unveiling that souls truly recognize each other, that the deepest bonds are forged. When you dare to be seen, truly seen, in your glorious messiness and your profound beauty, you invite another to do the same. You create a sacred space where healing can begin, not just for you, but for them. Do not fear the perceived judgment or the possibility of hurt. The angels assure you that the right heart will not exploit your tenderness. It will cherish it, protect it, and find its own courage reflected in yours. This is the alchemy of love, two souls brave enough to shed their defenses, meeting in the sacred center of their shared humanity. Your vulnerability is not a flaw, it is your superpower, the key to unlocking depths of intimacy you have only dreamed of. Allow yourself to be soft, to be real, to be gloriously, imperfectly you. This is where love truly finds its home. Look back, my dear, at the winding path you have traveled. Every twist, every turn, every moment of joy and every tear shed, none of it was random. It was all part of a sacred map, meticulously drawn by unseen hands, guiding you precisely to where you are meant to be. The angels whisper that even in your darkest hours, when you felt lost and abandoned, divine light was illuminating your next step, even if you couldn't see it. Your journey is not a series of accidents. It is a divinely orchestrated pilgrimage, with each experience serving as a lesson and each challenge as an opportunity for growth. This person, this connection, is a significant landmark on that map, a destination you were always meant to reach, or a guide meant to lead you further. Trust the wisdom of this path, even when it seems unclear. The angels assure you that you are never truly alone and never truly off course. There is a higher intelligence at work, weaving together the threads of your life with purpose and grace. Every heartbreak, every triumph, every moment of quiet reflection has served to prepare you, refine you, and align you with your highest destiny. You are always being led toward greater love, greater truth, and greater fulfillment. Surrender to the journey, for it is perfect in its unfolding. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. My beautiful soul, the love you seek, the love you are experiencing, is much more than a fleeting emotion or a comfortable companionship. It is a sacred fire, meant not just to warm you, but to transform the very essence of your being. This love, whether it appears in a person or in the profound self-discovery it ignites, is a divine catalyst. It challenges your old beliefs, dissolves your fears, and expands your capacity for joy and compassion. The angels whisper that this is not a love that allows you to remain small or unchanged. It is a love that demands your growth, your evolution, your highest expression. It will ask you to shed layers of old conditioning, to confront your deepest insecurities, and to step into a more authentic, powerful version of yourself. Do not resist its transformative power, even when it feels uncomfortable or unsettling. This is the universe's way of polishing your soul, revealing the radiant gem you truly are. The angels assure you that this process, though sometimes intense, is always for your highest good. Embrace the alchemy of this love. Allow it to open your heart, not to break it, but to expand its chambers, creating space for an even greater influx of divine grace. This love is a journey, a continuous unfolding, a sacred dance of becoming. It is a gift that keeps on giving, not just to you, but through you to the world. Finally, my cherished one, we arrive at the profound wisdom of acceptance and surrender. This is not resignation, nor a waving of the white flag in defeat. No, my dear, surrender is the ultimate act of trust, a courageous release into the arms of the divine. It is acknowledging that you are not solely responsible for orchestrating every outcome, controlling every heart, or forcing every timeline. The angels whisper that true surrender is an act of profound faith, a declaration that you trust the divine architect of your soul's journey more than your own limited understanding. It is letting go of the need to control, to predict, to manipulate, and instead, allowing the universe to unfold its perfect plan. This doesn't mean you stop caring or stop dreaming. It means you release the grip of anxiety and fear, knowing that what is truly meant for you will find its way, effortlessly, when the time is right. The angels assure you that in this space of surrender, you create room for miracles, for unexpected blessings, for a peace that transcends all understanding. It is in letting go that you truly receive. It is in trusting that you truly find freedom. This is the ultimate act of love for yourself and for the divine plan that holds you. Release the struggle, dear one, and allow yourself to be carried by the gentle current of grace. Cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. 1 Peter 5 verse 7.